your next experiment to measure the Liston frequency and wavelength in a rectangular waveguide by slotted section method. Means we in the previous lab we have already seen using a frequency meter used to measure a frequency which is supported by your waveguide. Now in this we measure a frequency by using a slotted section line. First we see some relation is available to calculate your frequency. This one you show here 1 upon lambda naught square is equal to 1 upon lambda g square plus 1 upon lambda c square. Now lambda naught is the free space wavelength and lambda is the guided wavelength and lambda c is the cutoff wavelength. Now we find in this experiment here you see 1 upon lambda naught square is equal to 1 upon lambda c 1 upon lambda g plus 1 upon lambda c. Lambda c is easily found by relation 2 multiply a. A is the cross section area of rectangular waveguide, means this one a of width and this one height of rectangular waveguide, means a dimension of rectangular waveguide. We put the a dimension that is fixed of rectangular waveguide, then we find you lambda c value. And next one we find lambda g. Lambda g we find out by the distance measured in a wave pattern which is inside your waveguide. Wave pattern means standing wave pattern. This form of like we measure a two minima distance, means this one one of the minima, this one of the minima. Similar way this one also one of the minima, means lambda g by 2 is equal to distance between two minima. Suppose there is given we have seen in the experiment there is a scale in centimeter, means d1 minus d2, both difference means this position and this position a minimum difference. By this relation we calculate lambda g, 2 multiplied by d1 minus d2. Also you see in this experiment the student which is calculated in this observation table we find d1 d2 and by the relation of this one relation we find lambda g. Lambda c is already found by the a value, means a value is the cross section area of rectangular by 2.286, means multiply by 2, this one of centimeter. Now we find the frequency, the relation used here, you put all the values, means lambda g value and lambda c value, then find lambda naught value. When lambda naught is value is find, then put the relation c is equal to f lambda, means c is the speed of light, and then relation use. Suppose you find lambda naught, means you also known very well lambda naught is equal to c by f. Now f is equal to c multiplied by lambda naught. Now c is the velocity of light. Lambda naught is calculated from this relation which is given in this. Now your frequency is find out. Now go to your experiment now. You first step to set up a first mod, which is your Klystron power supply and tube. Here I set up a first mod near about 239, near about this one. Now how you see the mod is selected, you use also a DSO, otherwise use a VSWR meter. Here we use VSWR meter, means by rotating a repeller voltage, the maximum reflection in right side, then return back to left side. That position you give you the mod is selected, that is which is you changing your repeller voltage. Okay, means initial first you select a mod. Now when mod is selected, now to calculate lambda g value, Lambda g, how you calculate? Using slaughter section. You see here there is a centimeter scale. Now you rotate this knob, you find out the position which is minima in a standing wave pattern. Means we look in this meter, if this pointer is moved to left side, again return back to same position, that is give you first minima. Second, again rotate you your slaughter section, again next position is come to your, means again this pointer is moved to left side and come to in this position. Now you see here what we have done. Now rotating your slaughter section and see your pointer, and right handed I use a rotating your slaughter section and see your pointer. This one you see, now the pointer is moved your left sided. You see here, again moving your slaughter section, again, again, again. This one return back to your same position. This one your first your D1 value, means now noted this D1 value using this slaughter section. You see here there is a 1 0 is the coincidence between near about 13 centimeter. This one your 13 centimeter, means D1 is the 13 centimeter. Next to move this rotation, again see your SWR meter, again same is pointer is done, means right side move, then again come to left side move, again come to right side, then this is your second position of minima. Move, again rotation, you see again maximum goes to and back to right side position, then this one, this one your second of minima. Means to read about this scale, means to see here this 0 is coincide near about 15, means D1 come 13, D2 come 15, means use the relation lambda g by 2 is equal to D2 minus D1. Now we find out the lambda g value. Now lambda c is already found by the calculation, use the, means use your cross section area, means a is the distance this one, b is the distance this one, means width is a, b is the height, means this is the fixed dimension, a is the 2.23. Now lambda c is calculated, and this we use a calculate your lambda naught. Okay.